my loving students. I hope you all are fine. And today, as you know, we are going to continue with our topic, linear equations, with some more questions. Okay, so let's get started with the questions. Now, the students, the question is solve and verify. So, till now we were only solving the equation, only finding the solution for the variable, yes or no? But now we have to solve the equation as well as we have to verify. So, let's see step by step how to solve it. Okay. The first question is 4x plus 4 is equal to 28. Okay, so step by step we are going to write implies its sign. So first I will write 4x. Now what is there on the right hand side? 28 is already there, right? So plus 4, I will shift to the right hand side, becomes what? Minus 4. Now 4x. 28 minus 4 is 24. So x will be equal to 24 divided by 4. That gives us 6. Okay, so you know how to solve it right now. Now next what you are going to do, we are going to verify. Okay, so verification. So for verification students, there are two methods. Okay, I will solving in one method here. Left hand side, LHS. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is 4x plus 4. Okay, you have already read algebra, you know how to substitute the value of x. So since we have got x equals to 6, now we are going to substitute the value of x. So what are you going to do here? 4x means what? 4 is multiplied to x. What is x? X is 6 plus 4. So we got here 24 plus 4, that is equal to what? 28, right? And already we have right hand side is equal to 28. So that implies, or therefore LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 28. Hence verified. Okay. This way you can solve, and the next question I will show you another way by which you can verify. Okay. So now let's come to the next question, students. So first I will be shifting minus 13 to the right hand side. 9m, 59. So minus 13 goes to the right side, becomes plus 13. Now I have here 9m. So this will give me 72. Now m will be equal to what? 9 is multiplied here, so it will be divided on the right hand side, right? 9 8s are 72. So how much we got? The value for m we have got as 8. So what you can do, you can write the question once more. 9m minus 13, left hand side here, and this is the right hand side. Now 9m means what? 9 is multiplied to m. What is m? M is 8. So 9 is multiplied to m minus 13, and this side you can just continue writing 59. So 72 minus 13. 72 minus 13 will give us how much? 12 minus 3, 9. 6 minus 1, 5. So 59 is equal to 59. Hence, verified. So anyways you want, you can verify the equation. Okay. Now students, let's come to the next two questions. So here also you can see. So what I'm going to do here first, I want my variable to be on the left hand side. That makes me feel more comfortable. Okay. So what shall I do here? I will shift the entire right hand side, 2x plus 3, and the entire left hand side to the right hand side, 27. As you know, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 8 plus 3. Both mean the same thing. So here no signs will be changed. It will all remain same because we are shifting the entire, we are interchanging the left hand side and the right hand side completely. Okay, so no need to change any sign in this case. Now what we can do? 2x will be equal to 27 is there. So plus 3, I will be shifting to the right hand side, becomes what? Minus 3. Now 2x will be equal to 27 minus 3 will give us how much? 24. So x will be equal to 24 divided by 2. So we got here 12, right? So now students, let us verify it. So left hand side what are you having? Left hand side is 27, okay. Right, the main equation and RHS is how much? 2x plus 3. 2x means what? 2 is multiplied to x. That means 2 is multiplied to, what is the value of x we have obtained? 12 plus 3. So 24 plus 3, we got 27. So once again you are going to write here, therefore LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 27. Hence, verified. Okay. So in all the questions you have to write like this. Clear? Let's come to the next question here. So now students, you can see here, I will shift plus 8 to that side. I have one variable r here. I have to find the value for r. So r by 4 plus 8 goes that side, becomes what? Minus 8, right? Now r by 4, 13 minus 8 will give me how much? 5. Now students, I have to shift 4 from the left hand side to the right hand side. 4 is divided by r. So this side it goes, it will be multiplied by 5, right? So how much I got? R is equal to 20. Now let's verify it. LHS R by 4 plus 8. So R is 20 by 4 plus 8. So I will first divide according to BODMAS. So 5 plus 8 will give me 13, and on the right hand side I am already having 13. Okay, so you will write it down. It's your work now. Okay, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence is equal to 30, hence verified. Okay. Now students, let us come to the next question. So here also we have the variable x. So what shall we do? Now first we will shift minus 2 to the right hand side. So x by 5. So already 3 is on the right hand side. Minus 2 goes this side, becomes what? Plus 2. Simply. Okay. Now x by 5 is equal to 5. Now 5 is divided by x. So 5 goes to the right hand side. It will be multiplied by whatever is there on the right hand side. Right. Now we have got x is equal to 25. Let's verify. LHS x by 5 minus 2. Yes. What is the value of x we have obtained? 25 upon 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 will give us how much? 3. On the right hand side also we have what? 3. Okay, so this verifies our equation. Right? And you have to write here LHS equals to RHS equals to 3, hence verified. Okay? Let's come to the next question, students. S by minus 9 is equal to 2. So the variable is what? S. Now students, you see here, I just need to shift this minus 9 to the right hand side. Now what is the relationship between this S and minus 9? What is the mathematical operation going on in between S and minus 9? It's division. Okay? So here don't change the sign of minus 9 to plus 9. Okay? Because here what is going to change? Division is going to change to multiplication. Division is going to change to multiplication. Right? So that means on the right hand side we have 2. So minus 9 will be multiplied to 2. Minus 9 sign won't change because here division is getting converted to multiplication. Right? So now we have here S is equal to minus 18. Now let's verify our answer. LHS we are having S by minus 9. So we have minus 18. The value of S is minus 18 by minus 9. Now you know that when both are minus, answer will be plus. On the right hand side also already we are having 2. Okay, so this verifies our answer. Now students, let's come to the next 2 questions. So here also what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift the entire right hand side to the left hand side as I want the variable on the left hand side. So P by 7 minus 2 will give me a 4. Now I will shift minus 2, right? So it becomes 4 plus 2. Now I got here P by 7 is equal to 6, right? So P will be equal to, say 7 is divided here, so 7 will be multiplied here, right? So we have P equals to 42, right? We have P equals to 42, right? Now let's verify it. LHS is equal to 4 in the main equation. RHS P by 7 minus 2. So P is how much? 42. 42 by 7 minus 2. 7 6 are 42. First divide, okay? So 6 minus 2, how much I got here? 4. So LHS is equal to RHS or not? So it's verified. Clear? Let's come to the next question, students. Now you have to go back to algebra, right? You have read the how to find the product of algebraic expressions, right? So you can see here a monomial 5 multiplied to a binomial x plus 3. So turn by turn you are going to multiply. That means what? First 5 will be multiplied to x, then 5 will be multiplied to 3, right? So 5 multiplied to x, everything is plus plus, no need to worry about sign here. So 5 multiplied to x will give us how much? 5x plus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 25, okay? So now let's shift this 15 plus 15 to the right side. 25 minus 15, right? So now 25 minus 15 will give us how much? 10. Now we have x equals to 5 is multiplied here. So when it goes to right side, it will be divided. So we have got x equals to 2. Let's verify. LHS is equal to 5 multiplied to x plus 3. So 5 multiplied. What is the value of x? 2. Just substitute the value of x. So 5 multiplied to 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. When there is no sign in between, it means what? It's multiplied. So first solve the bracket. 2 plus 3, 5. So how much we got here? 25. And right hand side is already 25. So it's verified. Now students, let's come to the next questions. Okay, so here we are having what? R minus in the bracket minus 6. Okay, so we'll open the bracket using the sign rule of multiplication that you have read in integers. Okay, so minus multiplied to minus will give us how much? Plus 6 is equal to 8. Very simple. Now R plus 6 goes that side, becomes minus 6. So how much we got? R is equal to 2. Yes, let's verify. LHS R minus 6. So what is the value of R? 2. Just put the value of R as 2. Now 2 minus multiplied to minus plus 6. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. So right hand side already we have what? 8. Clear? Let's come to the next question here, students. So now just we have to open the bracket first. Remember, in algebra you have read, whenever you open a bracket, if outside minus sign is there, every term sign will change. Inside you have 3, that means plus 3 and minus 6. So plus 3 becomes minus 3 and minus 6 becomes plus 6. Okay. So 5, open the bracket, minus 3 plus x is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus x is equal to minus 6. Now plus x, simply x I want here. 2 goes that side, becomes plus 2 becomes what? Minus 2. So minus 6 minus 2. So how much I obtained here? Minus 8. Right? Clear? Let's verify now. LHS is 5 minus 3 minus x. 5 minus 3 minus what is x? X is minus 8. See, there is a minus sign already here. This is this minus sign. But x itself is carrying a minus sign. Yes or no? So what you should do here? You can put one more bracket and write in. See, this minus sign is this, and x itself is minus 8. Okay, so don't get confused with that. Now minus into minus plus 8. So 5 minus 11. How much we obtain? Minus 6. Because one is positive, other one is negative. Subtraction you will do. 11 minus 5, 6. Greater number is 11. Carrying what sign? Minus sign. Remember integers. And RHS already we are having what? Minus 6. Okay. Now dear students, let's come to the last question for today. Okay. So here also step by step we'll be solving. First shift plus 38 that side. So 8x equals to 6 minus 38. Yes. So 8x will be equal to now 6 minus 38. This is positive, this is negative. So 38 minus 6 will give us how much? 32. And greater number is 38. Carrying what sign? Minus sign. Now 8 is multiplied to x, so when 8 goes to right hand side, it will be divided with whatever is on the right hand side. So 8 4s are 32 and x is equal to, now one is plus, other one is minus. Division minus 4. Okay, let's verify. LHS 8x plus 38. So 8x means what? 8 is multiplied to minus 4. Yes or no? 8 is multiplied to minus 4 plus 38. So first go for multiplication as per the bottommost rule. So 8 4s are 32 plus into minus 32 plus 38. How much will get? 6 plus 6 or not? Because greater number is what? 38 carrying what sign? Plus sign. On the right hand side already we are having 6. Okay students, so practice up to this much properly all these questions. I hope you all will try to understand and solve it properly. Okay, and with the help of this you can solve the other questions in your exercises. Yeah. So till the next class, take care and study.